everyone, and welcome to part 2 of Fundamentals of Grievance and Issues Management. Today we are going to be managing grievances and their related workflows. This is going to be on the in progress to closeout section of the workflow, or part 2 of the previous video where we moved it from open to in progress. Now, we're back at the Help Center. Let's talk a bit about what's next. So we did our work. We emailed the stakeholder the resolution. If we wanted to, we can refer this to an external mechanism. What this means is that we're referring it to someone outside of our company for resolution. It's just a flag to indicate that's what's happening. I just wanted to quickly take the time to show you the refer to external mechanism flag that I just explained in the flowchart. How we could do that is we could go to the actions menu here, and please take note that once I do click refer to external mechanism, that it will change this in progress status to add the flag that it's been sent to an external source to solve the grievance. So how we do that again is we just click it. We can add some comments if needed, maybe sending to contractor, and then we just click refer. And now you'll notice that the flag has changed to refer to external mechanism. And if we view the action history, we can actually see that I sent it to that external mechanism and the comments that I left about it there. So that's where we can see that as well and see how the grievance is progressing from being created to assessed to now referred to that external mechanism. As you can see, we can then close the grievance from there as well, or we can reopen it if needed and then reassess it as well. So we're going to take the path of in progress to close right now. So let's go ahead, get back into Borealis and show that real quickly. So as mentioned, you could see that we provided our response. The stakeholder liked it, said that they're okay with it. We could consider this grievance closed. How we could close it off? In the actions menu, right under workflow here, we have that refer to external mechanism feature that I mentioned previously, or we have the option to close it. All right, we're going to click close to start the process of closing out this grievance. So I'm going to click close right here, and it'll open up this closeout menu. Now, the first thing we could do is enter the resolution date and time. So the resolution in this case was accepted today at 1 o'clock. So we'll click it like that. Now, the resolution type is important because we do have a few options out of the box available to you. This is also customizable. We can add in other resolution types you're hoping to report on. So you could say the resolution was accepted, the resolution was rejected, or that there's no basis for a grievance in this case after you've completed your investigation. In this case, if we select any of these and we close our grievance, you will not be able to make changes to the grievance, no matter which you select in this case. So we'll select accepted. We had a resolution accepted, really great. We can put any comments related to the closeout, reporting on the grievance satisfaction. This is a really important metric just to report on trends related to your grievance resolutions. Very quick, we could just say this was a positive outcome. The stakeholder liked it. We can apply some feedback or put the feedback that the grievant provided to us. We can add the investigation completion date, and then rest of the fields down here are the ones that you saw in the recommended response. We have the option to add or edit them as well. But just these three fields at the top, really, really key. And all we need to do now is hit close. And you'll notice that our grievance has now moved to closed and we have solved it. Now, I wanted to quickly show you a system report that's available to you out of the box. It's called the Grievances dashboard. You can go to the analytics module and you can go to reports here and hit search, and you could just type in grievances like this, and you'll see the grievances dashboard like such. And it gives you some really cool insights on the data points that I showed you how to enter when creating a grievance or when moving it through the workflow process. Like you could see grievances that are past due need to be closed. These ones are overdue, and they have a high, medium, low risk, and you could see those in the bars here. As well, we have information related to some root causes of grievances. Are grievances open by their risk level, open grievances by department, by priority, the subjects or the topics that our grievances are having by location. So we could see in Madrid, we have one social government related, and also here in Anticosti, we have an environment waste management related one, for example. These are our top 5 subject categories by open grievances. So, what are our stakeholders being affected by the most? Where are they happening in the world? The cumulative count by responsible person. A lot of really cool metrics, as you could see. I really want you to explore this chart, this report here, my apologies, and take a look at the charts available to you. If you have any questions, always submit a ticket to help desk or ask your super user, and they'll be able to guide you in the right direction. So that's it for the grievances workflow. Thank you very much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in our next video.